Hi, how are you? I'm Brad Schmidt, and I'm the creative director of media productions at GoPro. We're here at NAB, and as you can see, we have a ton of really incredible content. I think that's what we really specialize in. It's not just making really great, durable, incredible quality cameras, but it's also specializing in content. That's what we're about. And I think this year we've really transitioned from not only releasing a Hero 3 Plus camera, which is even better than the Hero 3. It's got an upgraded Wi-Fi chip, and it has an incredible Pro Tune setting for professionals, as well as some other features. We've got the dual system. We've also got a new frame mount, which is new and improved from the one that we released last year. But we also announced that we are making strides to become a media company. So you'll see we just launched an Xbox channel, and as well as branching into new markets like music. But as far as professional content creation, I think we're still the Kleenex, so to speak, of a POV camera, as well as one that are used for multi-camera shoots in a lot of productions today. This year we just announced bring back a 3D dual, we call it the Dual Hero system. It shoots both photo and video. So the cool part about it is that the master camera can control both of these. And previously we had a 3D camera for the Hero 1, which has been great. This time you're shooting 2.7K at 30 3D, which is incredible. One of the smallest units to shoot 2.7K. As well as the cool aspect that I think we found out we use it a lot for within our own productions at GoPro was a lot of times we would be shooting really high resolutions, but then we'd always want like a great still image of that same shot. And so being able to have both cameras in one where you're shooting high megapixel stills as well as say 2.7K at the same time, it allows to do so much more in post, and especially for a company like ours where we need both photo and video assets, you can get them all in one tight little package like this. It's great. As well, the cool thing that we released, I think, as well as the Hero 3 Plus camera, is this new and improved frame mount. The last frame mount that we had, it's great, but I think there was a few little tweaks when we got to use it a lot more, as well as feedback from some of our customers. The nice part about it is you don't have to actually unscrew it to take the whole thing apart to swap out the camera. You can just flip the corner like this, and the whole thing will pop out of the frame mount. So you'll see this is a huge part, as well as the LCD. It has a flexible side here for the LCD hook that goes into the back of the camera, so you can take the LCD on and off without actually having to pop off the frame. So a really improved thing, as well as this the clear protection for the naked housing. So the other nice feature from the frame mount that we have, besides it being easy to take in and out, is you have all the access to the ports here, as well as the LCD back and the battery. You can easily take those in and out. So it's the ease of access with this frame mount that previously we didn't have. And if you want to find out more about GoPro, you can visit GoPro.com, as well as take a look at our YouTube channel. We have amazing content, everything from the 3D content to the dual housing to all sorts of great videos. You'll see it from our launch videos all the way through our user-generated videos, which is what our customers create, and then we turn them around and broadcast them again.